करना है इधर ही. Came all the way till from the top of the mountain. This is the roundabout. 2 rounds. Oh my god, look at this now. Wow. Okay. It's like divine intervention. Wow. Oh, that's a bear! Finally! That's the bear! Bear cubs, huh? GPS has picked the worst route ever. 1.5 hours we are stuck in traffic jam in this Great Smoky Mountains. And we didn't want to see Great Smoky Mountains today. Almost 1.5 hours. Freaking traffic. We could not stop at Corbin, so we stopped here. Kentucky in Kentucky. So yeah, that's it. So we have taken 2 piece chicken and biscuit and mashed potatoes. Like we've taken 4 piece totally. So yeah, that's fun. All right. So it's almost 8 o'clock. So let's get in. So once we enter here, we have a bathroom here. Yeah, nice shower. And pretty big rooms. We need to on. So I switched on the lights and look at this pretty big room. We have microwave, desk and refrigerator, big TV. And space to work here, and air conditioned sofa. Not bad, very nice. We have a closet here. I don't know what's this closet. All right, nice closet. So it's almost 9 o'clock. We are beat. We had something in KFC, so we're gonna just crash. So see you tomorrow. So good morning everyone. We're seeing This hotel is very comfortable, nice hotel. But yeah, we woke up at 5:30 and it's like 5:40 now. We're gonna head back to home, and so I'm gonna go down and get some coffee. This elevator is in like secret land, and today the weather is like -5 over here, and at my home it's like -11, so it's very cold out here. Yeah, so that's the pool. No security. Pool is pretty good. So I think pool is closed because it's already like minus something, right? So that's the coffee station, and dining area is pretty small actually. If you see, that's the dining area. Complimentary breakfast Saturday, Sunday, it's 7 o'clock. So let's get some coffee. Your microwave, and that's the entrance. So we are all set. We are going back to home now. It's very cold out there. We had our breakfast. It's so crowded. Hardly there was a place to sit there and eat. So yeah, it's 8:15 and we are just about to leave. So we are crossing Reina, and then